Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers with the help of this AI tool right here called the Fliki Ai. So I'd like you to watch this video right here to the end and learn this exact same strategy which can actually help you get hundreds and thousands of leads to your CPA marketing offers. So guys, with that being said and no more delay of time guys, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So if you do have a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote, just simply go on to getting that from any CPA marketing platform of your choice. And guys, I'm just going to use the CPA grip, click on offer tools and my offers right here, and I want to just simply go on to selecting offers from the United States. And if I do select offers from the United States right now, and I'm just going to scroll through until I can select a sweepstake offer. This is actually a good example of a sweepstake offer right here, which is a giveaway offer right now. And you can see right here it's for $750 towards your summer style. You can see more details to this offer, and you want to just simply leave this page open. Right now I already have a CPA marketing offer which I want to promote, so I'm actually done with the step 1. You want to then go on to the step 2. The step 2 will be to head on to this particular AI tool which is called the Fliki Ai to go on to creating a video which you can actually use to start promoting that CPA marketing offer, or you could just simply create any video of your choice right there on any niche with this AI tool. As this AI tool is actually a video creation tool that actually makes video creation simpler and faster right here. You could convert your text to video with the help of this AI tool and actually get some AI realistic voiceovers right there in just 2 minutes. And it's actually amazing right now. You could convert blogs to video, PowerPoint files to video, and even Twitter tweets to videos with the help of this AI tool. You could check out the pricing platform right here and you'll be brought to this particular page where you can actually see more details about the pricing plans, and you could come right here, you'll see the features of each plan which can actually help you go on to selecting the right plan to go on to purchasing right here. And if you do register for any one of them right here, you do gain access to that. You can see right here that there's also a free plan, but the limitation to that is that you only do gain access to 5 minutes of audio and video content per month. But once you actually do register for an account, you're going to log into your account. As you can see right here, I'm on my account page. I'm just going to click on new file and give the file a name. So I'm just going to give it something like this, a random name right now. I'm going to select the language, make sure this is on video, and click on create. So once you do click on create right now guys, you can actually begin your video creation process right here. If you do come to this section which says convert, click on convert. You could get ideas for your videos, you could convert blog posts to videos, PowerPoint files to video, and even Twitter tweets to video. Click on that right there and just simply follow the necessary procedures to do that. You could actually come right here to this section, change the pronunciation map, translate, or even do the editor layout right here. So guys, if you do have your scripts in the clipboard of your account, you could just simply come right here, paste that right there, and start creating your video. But you can actually take advantage of AI tools out there like the ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, even the OpenAI or the Bing AI to get script for your videos, which you can actually take advantage of right now. So right here guys, you can see I use ChatGPT to actually generate content right here for this particular post right now, or for this particular CPA marketing offer, asking you to generate a call to action for a giveaway worth $750 to spend towards your summer style. And this is what ChatGPT actually came up with. You can see how cool and amazing it actually is. It even gave you some steps on how to enter the giveaway, but these steps are not actually correct, so you want to just simply go on to editing that to your preference. But guys, so as not to waste much of our time, I'm not going to copy the entire section of this particular stuff right here. I'm just going to copy a bit of this and actually use that on Fliki AI. Once I come right here, paste in that, Fliki AI is actually going to help me split my video into various scenes. And you can see right now I split the video into 4 scenes. I could actually go on to selecting a video for each scene. If I do click on auto pick right here, the video will be selected for this particular scene by this AI tool based on the content in that scene right there. I can actually do come right here, click on auto pick also, and the video will be selected for this scene also. You can actually do that for each and every scene right there and select a video for each scene. So guys, you could actually see the entire duration of the video right here. You could preview the video and click on preview, and you will be able to see how it looks right there. And all this content right there will be in the subtitle of this particular video. And supposing you don't actually like the video for that particular scene, you just want to go onto that scene, select the video icon right here, and you go on to selecting any video of your choice which you're actually going to be shown once this load up. And guys, you can actually do search for videos related to a particular keyword, and you'll be shown videos right there which you could take advantage of right now. You could go onto my library and upload a video from your device and actually use that for that scene. And right here guys, you could just simply go into changing the AI voice right here. As you could see, there are a lot of AI voices which you can actually use right here. You could select an AI voice, apply that to all scenes right there, or you could also go on to filtering your voice based on language, dialect, gender, and voice style right here, as you do gain access to a lot of AI voices which are actually realistic right now. So once you're actually done editing this particular section based on your preference, come right here to the settings section guys. And because this video is not up to a minute long, I'm actually going to go on to using it as a YouTube short. And if I want to use it as a YouTube short, I'm just going to come right here and change that to portrait right here. So I've actually changed the aspect ratio to portrait. Click on save, and the video aspect ratio will automatically change right now. And once that has actually changed, I can then go on to clicking on export my video and download that video on my device. As you can see right here, if I do click on export, the processing process will actually begin, and in a matter of some seconds or minutes right there, I'll be able to download my video once it's done processing, and I can then go on to utilizing that video. So once I downloaded that video, I can head on to Canva right here, and if I do click on the video section, I'm going to click on mobile video right here, where I'll be brought to this page. And supposing I do go into uploading that particular video on Canva from my device, and I'm supposing this is the video right here, just to say for example right now, I'm just going to go on to dragging this video right here and just simply making sure the video actually do fit each and every section right now. So guys, you could just simply go on to adding something simple right here. Maybe you could just simply add in a call to action right there by just simply coming right here to the text section, adding a heading, and in that heading you just want to tell them that giveaway available. I could put in something like this, we said giveaway in video description right here. And the cool thing about this is that this is actually going to show to the entire video right here. So I'm going to go on to changing the color right here to this text. I'm going to change that to red. Also, I'm going to change the color to this text right here to red, so that it will actually be visible right here. So once I'm actually done with this guys, you can see right here that the text actually shows through the entire video right here. You just want to click on share and download this video on your device, and once you've downloaded that, you could then just simply head on to platforms like YouTube and go on to uploading that particular video by clicking on this plus icon, click on upload video. Then you just want to go on to this section right here where you could click on select file and upload this video on your device, on your YouTube channel or on YouTube right here. So guys, once you've actually uploaded that video guys, you also want to make sure that that particular video, for that video you do put in the link to this CPA marketing offer in the description of that video. You could copy the link right here, then head on to this platform called tinyurl.com to actually make that particular link much more better. Paste the link right here and click on shorten URL, and it's going to shorten that particular link and give you a more shorter version. You could then copy the link and make sure that link right there is in the description of that particular video, and you can then go on to uploading that video on YouTube. And anybody that do see that video will know that there is a link in the description of that video which you're actually directing them to for a giveaway, and they can actually do go into the description, click on that link, and actually go on to completing that CPA marketing offer, or completing that offer right there, and you do get paid $2.31 for each person that do complete this offer right here. And the cool thing about this is that if it's a short, you can see right here that YouTube shorts do actually get a lot of views. You can see this video has about 26 million views, this has 3.5 million views, this has 69 million views, and YouTube short normally gets a lot of views. So a lot of people will be able to see that, and you'll be able to get thousands and thousands or millions of traffic to your CPA marketing offer by utilizing this exact same strategy. So that's it for now guys. This is a strategy which you don't want to play with, you just want to take advantage of this to earn money with CPA marketing. And I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, why not go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.